Do not run after butterflies, because they will fly away from you. Use the time to build a beautiful garden, and then they will come by themselves. Even if they still don't come, at least you have a beautiful garden. You have to throw out all your preconceived ideas about how to live a life. Because these opinions come from people who are not living the life you want to live. They inhibit your mind. Your false mindset is the accumulation of all the voices of other people that you have internalized. Parents and friends who expect you to conform to their ideas of how to be and what to do. Also, the societal pressure to conform to certain values. But also, the voice of your own ego, which wants to protect you from the unpleasant truth. There are no excuses for the losers in life. We all bleed the same color, and we all have the same 24 hours in a day. So what makes a big difference? The answer are the habits, the little things you do every fucking day that determine the kind of man you are. Planning your day is an essential habit that can help you achieve your goals and be productive. By taking a few minutes each morning to map out your schedule and identify your priorities, you can set yourself up for success and ensure that you're making the most of your time. When you plan your day, you can break down your tasks into manageable chunks, making them less overwhelming and easier to accomplish. By setting achievable goals for yourself, you can build momentum and stay motivated throughout the day. This can help you avoid procrastination and stay on track towards achieving your long-term objectives. Planning your day can also help you prioritize your tasks effectively. By identifying the most important tasks that need to be completed, you can focus your time and energy on the activities that will have the greatest impact on your success. This can help you avoid wasting time on less critical tasks, allowing you to make the most of your resources. In addition to boosting productivity and helping you achieve your goals, planning your day can also reduce stress and improve your mental well-being. By having a clear plan of what you need to accomplish, you can avoid feeling overwhelmed or anxious about your workload. This can help you stay calm and focused throughout the day, even when faced with challenging tasks or unexpected setbacks. In summary, planning your day is an important daily habit that can help you achieve your goals, boost your productivity, and reduce stress. By taking the time to plan your schedule and prioritize your tasks, you can set yourself up for success and make the most of your time and resources. To practice good time management, you need to learn to prioritize your tasks and use your time wisely. This means setting deadlines for yourself and breaking down larger projects into smaller, more manageable tasks. It also means avoiding distractions and staying focused on your goals. Getting distracted by other people is the loser mentality we don't need. One effective time management technique is the Pomodoro method, which involves working in focused intervals of 25 minutes followed by short breaks. This technique can help you stay focused and avoid burnout while ensuring that you're making progress on your work. Another important aspect of good time management is learning to say no to non-essential tasks or commitments. This can be challenging, but it's necessary if you want to avoid overcommitting yourself and becoming overwhelmed. Prioritizing your time and focusing on your most important tasks can help you stay productive and achieve your goals more effectively. If you are available to each and every one all the time, you are not a man with a purpose, but a clown. Finally, it's essential to take breaks and prioritize self-care as part of good time management. Regular breaks and downtime can help you avoid burnout and stay motivated, while self-care activities like exercise, meditation, and spending time with loved ones can help you maintain your mental and emotional well-being. In summary, practicing good time management is a daily habit that can help you maximize productivity and achieve your goals. By prioritizing your tasks, avoiding distractions, learning to say no, and taking care of yourself, you can manage your time effectively and avoid burnout and stress. Every morning you have two choices. Either you continue dreaming and following other people's dreams, or you wake up and chase your own dreams. To develop a growth mindset, it's important to focus on learning and progress rather than just achieving results. This means being open to feedback and criticism, and viewing mistakes and failures as opportunities to learn and improve. It also means being willing to try new things and take on challenges, even if they seem daunting or outside of your comfort zone. One way to cultivate a growth mindset is to practice reframing negative self-talk and limiting beliefs. Instead of telling yourself, "I can't do this," try reframing it as, "I haven't learned how to do this yet." This can help you stay motivated and focused on learning and growth, rather than being discouraged by obstacles or setbacks. Another important aspect of developing a growth mindset is to surround yourself with supportive people who share your values and goals. Seek out mentors and role models who inspire you and can help you learn and grow, and avoid people who are negative or discourage your efforts. In summary, developing a growth mindset is a daily habit that can help you achieve your goals and become more resilient and adaptable. By focusing on learning and progress, reframing negative self-talk, and surrounding yourself with supportive people, you can cultivate a mindset of growth and improvement that will help you succeed in all areas of your life. Good nutrition is important for providing your body with the nutrients it needs to function properly. Aim to eat a balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive amounts of caffeine or alcohol, which can all have negative effects on your physical health and mental well-being. Exercise is another essential component of good physical health. Regular exercise can help you maintain a healthy weight, reduce your risk of chronic diseases, and boost your mood and energy levels. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week, such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. Furthermore, self-discipline is like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger will you become. Finally, getting enough sleep is crucial for physical and mental well-being. Aim for 7-8 hours of sleep per night, and establish a consistent sleep routine that allows you to unwind and relax before bed. Avoid using electronics or engaging in stimulating activities in the hour before bedtime, as this can interfere with your sleep quality. In summary, maintaining good physical health is a daily habit that can help you feel better, stay focused, and achieve your goals. By eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and getting enough sleep, you can boost your physical and mental well-being and set yourself up for success. One way to continuously learn and grow is to read widely and diversely. Reading books, articles, and other materials that expose you to new ideas and perspectives can help you broaden your knowledge and stay engaged with the world around you. It can also help you develop critical thinking skills and improve your ability to communicate effectively. Another important aspect of continuous learning is to seek out opportunities to learn from others. This might include taking classes or workshops, attending conferences or networking events, or seeking out mentors or role models who can help you learn and grow. It's also important to be open to feedback and to view it as an opportunity to learn and improve. Solicit feedback from others and be willing to listen and consider their perspectives. This can help you identify areas for improvement and develop new skills and abilities. Finally, it's important to take time to reflect on your experiences and to set goals for your future growth and development. Regular self-reflection and goal setting can help you stay focused and motivated, and can help you measure your progress over time. In summary, continuously learning and growing is a daily habit that can help you achieve your goals and stay engaged with the world around you. By reading widely, seeking out learning opportunities, being open to feedback, and setting goals for your future growth and development, you can cultivate a habit of lifelong learning and achieve success in all areas of your life. Incorporate these 5 tips into your life, and you will see that you will soon become an alpha. Don't forget to show some love by hitting the like and subscribe button. See you soon.